Hello everyone, welcome in this short video. This short video is a support of an article I wrote called Digital.ai release on Argo CD. I would like to demonstrate the continuous delivery scenario that I describe in my article. So it's not about all the configuration, it's just to see how it works. If you don't want to implement everything and configure everything, but in my article you have all the detail to do exactly what I have done. So what is a continuous delivery scenario? It's when a developer does a commit in the code, we want to automatically sync the dev environment with the new version of the application. So when we do a modification in our Git repository. So I will simulate this using the interface. We build a new Docker image. We publish this Docker image on Docker Hub. And then we start a release in release. And release communicate with Argo CD and notify Argo CD to do a sync. And Argo CD sync the application. So what we have here first is that we have three applications. So we will concentrate only on the dev one. This one is already running on sync. And the manifest files that are referenced are in the Argo CD hello world cd/dev folder. All right. And if we check this folder in the dev, we have one file, hello world.yaml, that defines the application. And specifically, the version of the image that is referenced. Of course, each time we build a new version, there is a new tag, and we want to modify this file with the new tag that has been generated. So we want to do this automatically. So how does it work? In GitHub, we define action. It means that some workflow will be fired automatically after a commit. And this is defined in this YAML file here. So we see that we first build the application. It's a Java application, so we use Maven. We build a new Docker image using Docker build, and we push this new image in Docker Hub using a specific, and we set specific tag that is dynamically created, right? And then we trigger a release instance to start a new release. And everything is defined in this file that we have as a parameter, the start release.yaml. I reference a local release instance, in my case, for my demonstration. To do this, I'm using the ngrop tool. It's a very convenient tool so that you can expose your local instance to the internet, right? Of course, it's for demo purpose because each time you start ngrop, each time you have a unique URL that is generated. So if we check the start release.yaml file here, it is this file. So this file defines which template to use to create the release with the input variables. And there is this placeholder here that is dynamically changed in the GitHub action with the new tag that we want to use, the tag of the new Docker image. Then a new release is started. So let's check the continuous delivery template. What we do here is that the objective of this simple workflow is to modify the file that is referenced by Argo CD, the manifest that I showed you previously here. And this manifest should reference the new image created during the execution of the GitHub action, right? So what we do here, we create a branch, we clone the repository, we update the manifest, and then we create a pull request and we merge the request, and then we notify Argo CD that a new version is available. Alright, so Argo CD should refresh automatically. So if we check Argo CD now, we have 2 pods here that are using this image. This is the latest one available in Docker Hub. So let's start a new commit. So I'm going to simulate the developer, the commit of the developer. So I'm going to go here to modify this simple file. So edit, I change 1 to 2 and commit. After the commit, a new action has been started, so a new workflow. So let's see the action here, this one. So it takes around 40 seconds to execute, so let's wait. All right, the new image has been pushed on Docker Hub. So it means that if we check release, a new release should have been started. This one, perfect. Let's see the execution. So everything has been executed, the merge. Now we could check Argo CD to see what's happening here. So the new pod should be created with the new image. All right, let's wait. We see that Argo CD creates 2 new pods, and then we'll remove the existing one. Perfect, so let's check for the tag. So the pod reference this image, 6B. This is the latest one. So this is a short illustration of the continuous delivery workflow. Each time the developer does a commit in the code, release, notify Argo CD that a new version is available. So the advantage of release here is that we use release to start this template, to create a release based on this template, and it's very easy now to change the template, to add tasks if we want to do more action, do a notification, and so on. So it's very convenient with release. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.